If you're looking to elevate the look and feel of your home in West Valley City, bow windows offer a stunning architectural upgrade that blends elegance, natural light, and functionality. Their graceful curved design and expansive glass panels make them a standout feature both inside and out. More than just a window replacement, bow windows transform ordinary walls into bright, inviting focal points that enhance your home's comfort and value. A distinctive architectural statement, bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from your home. Unlike bay windows, which typically feature 3 panels and sharper angles, bow windows create a softer, rounded appearance. From the exterior, this curved design adds dimension and visual interest to your home's facade. In West Valley City neighborhoods, where homes range from traditional to modern styles, bow windows complement a wide variety of architectural designs. They instantly boost curb appeal and give your home a more refined, custom-built look. Flooding your home with natural light. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a space. Because they feature multiple glass panels set at angles, they capture sunlight from different directions throughout the day. In West Valley City, where winters can feel long and daylight hours shorter, maximizing natural light is especially valuable. Bow windows brighten living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere even during colder months. More natural light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to improved energy efficiency. Creating a spacious, open-feel. Bow windows extend outward, adding subtle square footage to your interior space. Even a small projection can make a room feel larger and more open. The panoramic effect created by the curved design enhances depth and expands your field of view. Many homeowners use the additional space for a cozy reading nook, decorative seating area, or indoor plants that thrive in natural light. This combination of added space and improved brightness transforms the overall ambiance of your home. Enjoying expansive outdoor views. West Valley City offers beautiful seasonal scenery, from snowy winters to vibrant spring and summer landscapes. Bow windows frame these outdoor views beautifully. The multiple panels provide a wider viewing angle than standard flat windows, allowing you to feel more connected to the outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a quiet neighborhood street or a landscape backyard, bow windows help bring that beauty inside. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Modern bow windows are designed with energy performance in mind. Features such as double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings help regulate indoor temperatures. During cold winters in West Valley City, these technologies reduce heat loss and prevent drafts. In warmer months, they help block excess heat from entering your home. When professionally installed and properly sealed, bow windows provide both beauty and efficient performance, keeping your home comfortable throughout the year. Enhancing home value. Upgrading to bow windows is not only about appearance, it's also a long-term investment. Their elegant design and energy-efficient features make them attractive to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell, bow windows enhance your daily living experience and add lasting value to your property. Customization to match your style. Bow windows can be customized with various frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns to match your home's design. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary look, there are options to suit your style. A beautiful investment for West Valley City homes. If you want to add light, space, and architectural elegance to your home, bow windows are a beautiful and practical upgrade. For homeowners in West Valley City, they offer a unique blend of style, comfort, and long-term value, making them a standout choice for any renovation project.